the Handyman experience has been good for me. They do good work.
So Mr. Handyman is all about providing in-home and business handyman services.
There's a plethora of stuff that they can do. It's a full-service Mr. Handyman. My overall experience with Mr. Handyman is quite good. I've had so many things done from them. I love the work that they've done. To this day, everything that they've done is still working in good condition.
I've used them for 12 years at least. I haven't had anybody in my house other than Mr. Handyman since I started working with the company.
I would summarize Mr. Handyman as a company who wants to satisfy the customer, wants to give good quality work. Definitely recommend them to everybody.